8th standard students, let us start exercise 9.3. You can see first question of question number first, 4p into q plus r. So 4p into q, 4pq plus 4p into r is 4p. Our middle sign you will put inside, you can see addition sign, so you will put here. So it is the answer. Now fourth question, a square minus 9 into 4a. We can write monomial first. So or 4a into a square minus 9. So 4a into a square, middle sign is minus, you can see 4a into 9. So 4a into a square, that means a to the power 3, because exponential, by rule of exponential, law of exponents, you can see same base. Here is 2, here is 1, and with multiplication sign, so 2 plus 1, 3. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, minus 4 9s are 36 and a. Now, second sub question of question number 2, you can see here x plus y minus 5 into 5xy. Monomial you can write first. So or 5xy in the bracket x plus y minus 5. So 5xy into x. Inside the bracket you can see first sign is addition. So you will put addition. 5xy into y. Second sign is negative, so put negative sign. 5xy into 5. So 5 as it is, because no coefficients is here, and x into x, x to the power 2y, plus 5 x, y into y, y square. Negative sign, 5 into 5, 25, x, y, y. Now you can see fourth part of question number 2. 4p square into q square inside the bracket p square minus q square. So 4p square q square into p square, middle sign is negative. 4p square into q square into q square. So 4 ones are 4. P square into p square, 2 plus 2, p to the power 4 q square, minus 4 p square q to the power 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Now you can see first part of question number 3rd, a square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. So coefficient first you will write 2 into 4. Then a square, a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. Laws of exponents, if same bases are with multiplication sign, we add the exponent. So 2 4s are 8. A to the power a, so a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. So 2 4s are 8, 22, 2 24, 24 plus 6, 30 and 50. So a to the power 50. Now second question of question number 3rd. Second part of question number 3rd is 2 upon 3xy into minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. 2 upon 3, first we will multiply coefficients. So 2 upon 3 into minus 9 upon 10 x into x square, y into y square. We collect same bases, okay? Same variables. You can say this also. Now 3 3s are 9 and 2 5s are 10. So with negative sign, minus 3 upon 5, x into x square, here 2, here 1, x to the power 3. Y into y square, 2 and 1, pi to the power 3. Now third part of question number 3, minus 10 upon 3, p q cube into 6 upon 5, p q q. Now minus 10 upon 3 into 6 upon 5, p into p q. Collect same variables, okay? q into q. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 2s are 4, 3 and 1 4, p to the power 4, 3 1 4, q to the power 4. Now in fourth questions, we have to calculate first 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3, and after calculating this, we have to put the value x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 upon 2, and we have to calculate for first x equal to 3 and second x equal to 1 upon 2. So let us start. 3x into 4x, monomial, first we multiply in binomial and plus 3, that means monomial it is written. So 3x into 4x, middle sign is minus 3x into 5 plus 3. Now 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square minus 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, x plus 3. Now first we will calculate the value, we will find the value for x equal to 3. So after putting the value x equal to 3 in this polynomial, 12x square minus 15x plus 3 is equal to 12. Wherever you see x, you will put 3. So 3 square minus 15, 15. In the bracket 3 plus 3 as it is. Now 3 square, that means 3 into 3, that means 9. So next step will be 12 into 9 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So 12 nines are 108. And first you will collect positive terms. So you can see plus 3 and it is negative. So right here 15 3s are 45. Now you can see here 108 plus 3 is 111 minus 45. 11 minus 5 is 6, and here will be 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So for x equal to 3, the value of polynomial is 66. Now after substituting the value x equal to 1 upon 2, or after putting, I have written here after substitute. So you can write here putting the value x equal to 1 upon 2 in the polynomial 12x square minus 15x plus 3 is equal 12 1 upon 2, because this time the value of x is 1 upon 2. So x equal to 1 upon 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. 12 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4 minus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 and positive term is plus 3 minus 15 upon 2, and 3 and 3 6 minus 15 upon 2, take LCM. So 2 6 are 12. So 12 minus 15 upon 2. So negative term is greater. Okay, so subtraction is there, and minus 3 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2, that means minus 1 integer 1 upon 2. Fifth question will solve on Friday. Okay, bye.